welcome back to my channel. So remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and yeah, so let's get on to showing you guys my fidget spinners. So the first one is a fidget spinner. It's green with little dots inside, and I bought it at Primark car boot sale for 50p. So that's one of them. A fidget cube is white with green buttons. The next one is black with green buttons again, and the next one is white with orange buttons. Yeah, so if I look really sweating, I've just been outside playing for like 2 hours, and yeah, so I'll see you at home showing you the rest fidget cubes that I have. See you at home, bye! So guys, I'm home, and unfortunately I only found one fidget cube in my house. I couldn't find the other one, and yeah, so this is the one, this white with orange dots. And wait, I think I have one in my cupboard. Look, I've got all my toys in here. Yay, never found it. It's a fidget spinner, but it's got no, whatever you call it. So I found two, and yeah. So remember to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and put on the notification so it reminds you when I'm uploading a video. So yeah, bye guys, love you.